A Christian postal worker said he was forced to quit his job because he refused to work on Sundays. Today, the U.S. Supreme Court heard arguments on his religious liberty case. Fox 43's Harry Lee explains how the ruling could affect your workplace.
When the U.S. Postal Service began delivering Sunday packages in 2013, Lancaster County mail carrier Gerald Groff said his evangelical Christian faith prevented him from working on the Sabbath. After missing 24 Sunday shifts and facing 2 suspensions, he resigned and sued for religious discrimination. The Supreme Court heard oral arguments for his case Tuesday, centering around undue hardship, the current standard for religious accommodations.
In a 1977 case, the U.S. Supreme Court interpreted undue hardship to mean that no accommodation had to be provided if providing that accommodation would impose anything more than a trivial de minimis burden.
Groff's lawyer's goal, changing that definition so employers would have to allow more religious accommodations, like not working on the Sabbath.
The courts have watered down the standard that protects religious liberty in the workplace for religious employees, especially for the last 40 or so years now. It's time to restore religious liberty to its rightful place in the workplace.
The Department of Justice argued too much accommodation would hurt businesses, inconvenience other workers, and upend established case law.
Our concern with that is if the court were to announce a new standard, I think it would come with all the costs of destabilizing this area of the law and unsettling whether the court means to potentially call into question all of the established areas of law that have developed that we think have drawn the right lines here.
The U.S. Postal Service says neither snow nor rain nor heat can delay the mail. If Groff wins, Sundays soon might. Harry Lee, Fox 43 News.